Alright, welcome back to the channel. If you're just joining me for the first time, welcome. The M14 is often blamed for being inaccurate, uncontrollable, or obsolete. None of that explains why it failed. To understand the M14, you have to judge it the way the Army did, not the way modern shooters think it should be judged. Military rifles aren't designed to win accuracy contests. They're designed to solve institutional problems: training time, logistics, maintenance. How fast can a force be built, moved, and sustained? When a service adopts a weapon, it isn't asking, how accurate is this rifle? It's asking, what problem does this rifle solve and at what cost? That question matters more than group size, and it always has. By the mid-1950s, the Army wasn't looking for a new idea. It was looking for continuity. One rifle, one cartridge, one manual of arms. A direct successor to the Garand, not a departure from it. On paper, this made perfect sense. The Garand had worked. The cartridge had worked. The institutional memory was clear. Don't fix what isn't broken. But that assumption only holds if the next war looks like the last one. Vietnam didn't reward long sight lines or deliberate fire as Cold War planners had assumed in the beginning. It rewarded mobility, volume, and speed. Weight mattered. Recoil mattered. Training throughput mattered. The environment changed what success had looked like. Vietnam didn't expose a bad rifle. It exposed a bad assumption. That's why the M14 didn't fail everywhere. In controlled environments, with long sight lines and trained crews, it continued to do exactly what it was designed to do, both in naval platforms as well in sniper platforms post-Vietnam all the way through Iraq and Afghanistan. The Garand worked because it was judged by the realities of its war. The M14 struggled because it was judged by the memory of the last one. Accuracy wasn't the problem, context was. So if accuracy wasn't the problem, what do you think was?